If you came to study at the Penryn campus, you'd have the opportunity to study in a really fantastic part of the world. It's got a really strong history in mining, it's got a really strong history in renewable energy, a fantastic environment, and a really lovely, up-to-date, modern campus. And you really benefit from things like smaller class sizes, a real sense of community, and getting to know people around campus and getting to know the town.
So the Common Stage 1 approach allows participants to complete a common year before specialising, and this gives students the opportunity to get to know engineering, learn about engineering, but also learn about the more specialised pathways before they commit. After completing year 1, you embark on year 2 and 3, and this is where you get to specialise in whichever stream you choose, so whether it be environmental engineering, systems engineering, mining engineering or renewable energy. And the second and third year focus on those specialist modules that help to equip you with the skills that you need for your first job in industry.
One of the real focuses of our courses is to give you the opportunity to build things, to really get your hands dirty and understand the technologies that we're learning about. And the facilities we have here really reflect that. We have an engineering lab, we also have our renewable energy engineering facility, and that's a makerspace and workshop where you would get the chance to work on not only projects that we set you as part of the course, but if you have any extracurricular projects or any building that you would like to do that would help you develop as an engineer, then that facility is there for you.
I think one of the biggest attractions to Cornwall is Cornwall, that kind of natural laboratory on our doorstep. And this is great for students because it allows them access to sites that are of industrial significance.
So throughout the course you'll have opportunities to meet industry. Both as part of your course, we'll have lecturers come in from industries to teach you about their technologies. You'll also have things like pasty and pints where lecturers come in specifically to talk about job opportunities for students, and then opportunities with work placements and internships as part of your course where you can really build a strong relationship with partners in areas that you're really interested.
We have got a really great sort of careers team that supports students and help them. The staff also help. A number of us have good contacts with industry, and those contacts help students to get placements but also employment once they're finished with their degree. Cornwall is an amazing place for anyone to study and live. Just the surroundings that we're in, some spectacular beaches, spectacular scenery. There's a really strong community feel, and as a result it's a really supportive environment for people to study. It's an incredible place to live.